Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. And today is day 3 of our sandwich making challenge. And let's start by making an egg sandwich today. For that, I first applied some butter to my bread, and then I chopped up some onions and some chilies, and then I boiled some 2 eggs, and then I smashed them, put some salt and black pepper, added some mayonnaise, and right now I'm mixing them. After we are done mixing them, we can just apply it to our slice of bread, and then we will cover it with another, and our egg sandwich is ready. We can then slice it up in a diagonal position, and then it looks so good. It was also crispy because I fried it already, and as you can see, it was so good. I hope you like it. Bye bye, masalam.